I started this program from Port Harcourt, Moscow Road, since 2009. At that time, the apostle said that we should sacrifice. I wrote down my own. Then I relocated from Port Harcourt to Abuja. I came to Abuja, no accommodation and no job, even because of it. And I have to take care of myself. I have to go and pick up a house help work at my level and everything.
You're a graduate then?
Yeah. The day I told the woman I was coming for this program, I came back home. She told me to pack out. I stayed more than 2 hours outside. She said I'm too small for them to open gate for. So when I left the place, God
He asked you to leave that night?
She didn't ask me in. I spent more than 2 hours outside. When I came in, she said I should move out.
That night?
Yes. Then I stayed. Within that week, she chased me out. I left. That week, I got a job. As if that wasn't enough, I stayed. I was squatting with somebody. One day, the person said I should move out again. That week, God gave me my own accommodation. I'm working. And I have my own accommodation. I take care of myself like a baby. I have everything I want. God has been so faithful because of the sacrifice. I was receiving 7,000, but I paid my sacrifice, and God intervened. The plague, God removed it out of my life. Today, I am happy. The sacrifice is real. It's real. It's really working. Praise the Lord.